Hi friend, welcome to my channel. Let's draw the train locomotive together. Are you ready? Let's start! Let's start with the wheels. Draw a large circle, then make another circle inside of it, and finally include a smaller one. Now let's make the second smaller wheel. First the outer circle and then the two ones inside of it. Do the same thing for the third wheel. Draw the train front. Draw a rectangle for the base of support. Draw two vertical lines for the cabin and two semicircles for the cabin roof. Now draw the front part where the engine lies. A horizontal line and then an oval one. Wow! Our locomotive is taking shape. Now draw a rectangle and the cap for the chimney. With two squares, draw the cabin window. Good job! Our train turned out great! Now let's get the colors. Use red for the oval and the cabin. Orange for the chimney rectangle, the roof, the smaller circle of the wheels, and the rear end of the locomotive. Color the chimney cap, the edge of the window, and the second ring of the wheels with yellow. Now use green for the base. Blue for the window and the head of the locomotive. And color the last rim of the wheels with black. Wow! Our train turned out great and is ready for a new journey! Goodbye my friends, see you soon!